Right, it's Friday morning, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I've got a lot to do today because the old birds have disappeared and now is the time to put my patio window in, so I've got a lot to do. I've been building gearboxes up all week. It's a bit boring, but never mind. But I've been building boxes up. This one's for Bill, and this is what this video is about. Because, if you can recall, he said that one of his gearboxes, there was a noise from somewhere. Didn't know quite where it was coming from. Well, we've got one R380 we've checked up and that was okay. We've done an LT230, that was okay. We've got an R380 there that needs a new shaft and a rebuild kit. The other R380 in there he rebuilt and we put a bushing in. So we're getting through all this stuff. But I just did this box here and we had a long chat on the phone to say trying to get to the bottom of what was the problem. So he said, well, just build it back up, no new bearings or anything like that, and see what happens. Well, the bearings on the outputs here and here, the ball bearings, well, they were pretty knackered, so I put new ones of them in, new seals. But listen to this when I start it up. Can you hear it? Now, is that a bad tooth or a bad bearing picking up? I cleaned everything out, and last night I was thinking, like I was lying in bed thinking about these things I worry about. People worry about nuclear war, I worry about bloody transfer boxes. I thought it was the centre diff, but it isn't. Let me spin it up to a higher speed. Take off. See what I mean? Is that the noise? So how do we pinpoint where it is? This is the whole point of this video, is at finding noises. Now you can do it by using a sound meter like this, and you can actually touch on the gearbox or the transfer box where you think the sound's coming from and look at the levels. But if you're really on a budget and you're trying to find a bad bearing, a mechanic's stethoscope is worth its weight in gold. It will be probably the best $10 you'll ever spend. Now I've tried this once before with another thing, but I can't put the microphone onto this so you can hear. I mean, if anybody's got a better idea, let me know. But I pinpointed it. You won't. And I can't hear myself now, but anyway, the noise is coming from here. Tick, 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 tick. Not here. There is a little bit, but it's transferring through. Not there. Not there. But it is loud. Here. Right where the intermediate shaft is. So, I think what I'll do, I'll strip this down again, because it's got oil in it naturally, and I had it running yesterday. It was running bloody hot for, you know, the time it was. I'll strip it down, take off the cover, take out the intermediate shaft, replace the bearings, but carefully have a look at all the gears, make sure there's nothing on those teeth. There's something wrong somewhere, because like when you turn this, you can't hear anything. And this is one of the reasons why I took all that time and effort to build this test bench, so I could find problems like that without putting it back on the car and then sending it out and somebody says, oh, it's making a noise. Now there always is going to be a bit of chatter like that, that's the gears chattering, and the diff, well, it's got backlash in it, but they all do. You know, this is an old diff. I just washed it out and put it back together again. It seemed fine to me. Because when you turn it, there's a bit of slack in it, but there's not much we can do about that. But anyway, I think we'll do that Monday because I've got a busy weekend. All right, see you later.